Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Carla Mingo, and if you're watching this video, you're watching a brand new YouTuber. This is my only my second video that I've made for my channel, and I decided to make my second video a home office tour, I should say. My husband and I moved into the house about a year ago, and the office space is we decided that would be my office, not his office to share, but mine. So I was able to really decorate it and make it my own and make it however I wanted it to be. And so I was excited about just creating a space that was inspiring to me and that really just spoke to who I am as a person. And so I would say the style of the office is probably, I would call it a French farmhouse office. There's a little bit of everything in there, and so I wanted to just take you on the tour. But as far as my channel is really about peace, passion, and purpose. I really believe in just always trying to find the peace and the passion and purpose in your life. And so my entire channel is basically just how to inspire you to be the best version of yourself through peace, passion, and purpose. And that's even through decorating your home or whatever it is that you do. I really want to just inspire you to do that. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I will be releasing videos every week on different topics, everything from hair, makeup, fashion, home decor, lifestyle, all of that. So please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. My home office is right off the front door. And so let's go take a look. Hi guys, welcome to my office tour. I want to start by showing you the French doors, which I love so much. They're white and they have the brass handles, and it's just really pretty doors. I love it because it's like I can see through the office, so I can know what's going on in the dining room, but it still gives me privacy, and it's just really fresh and clean. It just makes the office very inviting and very cozy. So let's go ahead and go inside, and I can show you all of the different things that I put in my office. So the first thing I want to share with you all is the desk. I chose this desk because it just has this really old antique look to it. It has the antique white on the bottom, and on the bottom with the antique white, it's like has this distressed wood look to it. I just love that country look. It's just a beautiful piece of furniture. I love beautiful furniture, and this piece is just very classic, and it just says a lot about it's just a gorgeous piece. So this top of this desk is brown with some distressed white in it, with the European curvature on the corners, which gives it that European look. And it's just a big, heavy executive desk, which is what I wanted. I didn't want something light and dainty. I wanted that boss girl desk. So I just went ahead and went for it because I wanted to have a lot of storage. And I also got the credenza and the bookcase to go with it for additional storage and additional places to put all kinds of things and supplies. That was really important to have. I have my printer. This is really pretty. This is like a distressed wood paneling. On the back, it's really pretty. I have this lattice lamp, which really nice and cozy. Over here, I just have a few little things to kind of decorate the space, and I started with just getting like this very small petite succulent. I got this at Target in this brass planter. It just gives it a pop of color. And then I added a book by Michelle Obama. I love her so much. So I have this book here. Then I have this Count Your Blessings jar. This was a gift to Mark and I from my sister-in-law, and it's just a beautiful jar that you put your blessings in there, and then you can always go back and just look and see how blessed you are. It's so important to know what your blessings are. Over here is a picture frame of myself and Mark on our wedding day. He is so handsome. I love him so much. This is a lamp that I got. I can't remember where I got it. It was just a simple lamp with a brown base, linen lampshade. And then I have some sentimental things on my desk. I have this little plaque that Mark had made for me. It's just a beautiful plaque, and it's just really pretty. And I just have it on my desk just as a reminder of our love. So on top of my bookshelf is a lot of different textures and some earth tone colors to just kind of contrast with the beige walls. So I first started with some leather books, and then I put like a little shiny a little shiny vase on top. And I turned the books different directions. So that's on one end of my bookshelf. So next I put an old bicycle that's mounted on wood. And this is the centerpiece or the focal point of the top of my bookshelf. And then next to that, I put a distressed white wood letter so that it can have some more texture. And then I put a shiny vase that's shorter, and then I put a taller wicker vase on the end. So then I also added a little bit of greenery, just one little strip, not too much, and I added moss. Moss is just a really refreshing, pretty color green that's not too overpowering, and so I wanted something softer, not a heavy leaf or dark green, just something really simple. And so the reason this really works well is because I use different textures and different sizes and a lot of different interesting things to look at. It's not all the same. So you have metal, you have leather, you have iron, you have wood, you just have a variety of things up here, which makes it very interesting to look at. So here is my office chair. It is like an off-white executive chair. It's leather, and I wanted a chair that was a little more sophisticated. I didn't want to go with a country chair because my office already has a lot of those old country elements. So I wanted a little glam to my office. So this is just like a little glam that I could add with the chair that really like stands out. I added a little gold trash can here, which is very chic. And then over here in this corner is a brass drum table, accent table. I got this at Target. And on top of that, I put this artificial plant. It's called a fig leaf tree. And it's a tree that is just very gorgeous. It comes from West Africa, and it's just very vibrant and pretty. I love how it just lifts the office up, contrast against all the other colors. Up here I have a picture of my daughter Sydney. She's 18, graduating high school this year. I'm so proud of her. And I have another daughter who just graduated from college. Her name is Summer. This is a storage closet that I have over here. And we're not going to open this door right now because it is a hot mess. I'm just going to be honest. I have got to organize this closet, and I will do a video on the before and after when I get to this closet. So right now we're not going to open this door at all. We're going to keep it moving. I have a little sitting area over here with 2 chairs. I love these chairs. They are just beautiful. Like, they're so antique looking. It's like a linen fabric. It's really pretty with brown and cream. It has the leather here on the sides and the back of the chair. It has the nail heads, which really gives it that old world charm look. It's just a beautiful chair. Gorgeous. I have a little pillow here and a little throw. I got both of these at Target just for a pop of color. And here I have, well, first let me say I am an author. I wrote a book called Peace, Passion, Purpose. And so I have my book on display in this space. But this display is sitting on a table that I bought at Living Spaces. This table is a more modern table, a more contemporary table, I should say. And I loved it because it had 2 levels, a top and a bottom. And I was able to put something decorative at the bottom. So I chose to get this little plant from Target with inside of like this planter, this wood that's kind of raw and exposed, which is a good contrast to the dark wood. So I like mixing like contemporary and old things together to make things interesting. Over here I added a very plush pillow to give the office a little bit of glam to the country. And then this bear is something Mark bought for me so many years ago, and it's just sentimental to me. This lamp came from Living Spaces. It's a brass arched lamp, and it has this beautiful globe and beautiful light bulb in it, and it's just so modern and chic and brings some sophistication to the office because I wanted to have something that also was glam. I added this gold Roman clock from Living Spaces. This is part of Joanna Gaines' collection. And this really just glammed my office up completely because I had so many other older elements. Up here at the ceiling, I have crown molding. And I'm going to add some additional crown molding in the recessed ceiling. And I'm going to also change this light fixture out and get me a really beautiful chandelier for this office. So that's coming. It's another project that I have to work on. On this side of my office, I have 2 cutouts on either side of my door, and I'm going to get someone to build me some shelves on either side. And on the shelves, I'll just put books and pictures and all kinds of little knickknacks and things like that to make the office really cozy. So that's coming. And I'll fill that space up with really cute things. Over here, it's just a little umbrella basket. It's really just sitting there kind of as a placeholder. I really haven't decided what to do with this space. I'm gonna work on that. I'm not sure yet, but something small and petite. So this is the entire office when you look at it like overall, and you can see all the different elements, the old pieces, the glam pieces, the classic pieces, the French pieces. And so it just gives you that warm, fuzzy feeling, and it's just an office where you want to come in, have a cup of coffee, sit, look out the window, talk, and it's just really, really pretty and light. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment and let me know your thoughts.